Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by wiring the Android X window helpers into your activity, add Core KTX, and use Window Compat to manage insets. Once done, get the window object and create a Window Insets Controller Compat instance tied to your window and decor view. This is the first actionable step because it gives you programmatic control over system bars. Make sure to target API 23 or higher. Older APIs need fallback flags. Now obtain the controller. We'll toggle icon color next using that controller. Now use controller. Set appearance light status bars true when you want dark icons on a light status background and false for light icons on dark backgrounds. You do this because the controller sets the system bar appearance flags correctly across API levels when using Window Insets Controller Compat. If your layout draws behind the status bar, make sure you call Window Compat. Set Decor Fit System Windows, Window, False, and adjust padding or insets, otherwise icons may overlap content. Once set, the system animates the change automatically. Finish by syncing your status bar color with the icon mode so contrast stays correct. Change the theme or call Window. Status bar color programmatically. Make sure to test on different manufacturers because some OEM skins override flags. If a device ignores your change, try the legacy system UI flag light status bar fallback for API 2329. If it still fails, verify you're using the Window Insets Controller Compat tied to the active window, and that calls run on the UI thread. That single check resolves most problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.